Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial we have learned about case expression, and in case expression we have learned about simple case expression. Today we are going to learn about search case expression. I have written the syntax and example below. I'll show you. One sec. Okay, so here is the syntax. This is simple. Normally what we write the case keyword and the when condition 1 then condition result 1, when condition 2 then result 2, and so on. When condition n then result n, else it will come to the else block. It will not match with any of the conditions, then it will come to the else block and will get result as the else thing. Okay, so this is what the syntax of search case expression is. Okay, I have written examples as well, as you can see, but before demonstrating the example, let me show you the table first. Let's jump to SQL Workshop here. As you can see, I have created a table called top employees. So when I'll do select star from top employees, I'll get these many datas, the column first name and column last name. So what my purpose is, I wanna use search case expression. In that search case expression, what I'll do, I want when first name is Mark and last name is Zuckerberg, then company will be Facebook. If first name is Steve, last name is Jobs, then company will be Apple, something like that. So let's come to Sublime Text and see the examples. So what I have written here as example, select first name and last name from top employees, and here complete case expression. Okay, what is there in this? When first name is equal to Marx and last name is Zuckerberg, then Facebook. When first name is Steve and last name is Jobs, then Apple. When first name is Bill and last name is Gates, then Microsoft. When first name is Sundar and last name is Pichai, then Google. Otherwise, if it will not match with any of these conditions, then it will come to else block and will get result as new CEO. Alright, hope the example is clear to you. Now let's copy this example, Control C, and paste in our SQL Workshop here, Control V. Okay, so after pasting this, let's run the query. Yeah, so as you can see, in our table, in our original table, in our base table, actually we have only these two columns, first name and last name, but using this case statement we are getting result of this result thing, and we have conditionalized this thing in such a way that we'll get this result accordingly. Mark and Zuckerberg creates Facebook, Steve Jobs creates Apple, Bill Gates created Microsoft, and Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Google. So this is how we are getting condition in, we are getting output in simple case expression, sorry, search case expression. Hope the example and concept is clear to you. Okay, let me show you one more thing. What if it will come to else block? Okay, so I'll show you else block as well. Let me do select star from top employees first. Top employees. So we have this data. Let me add one more column here, one more row here. So I'll do insert into top employees, top employees, and the ID is 5. I write something new like Tim, and last name would be Cook. Okay, and here we'll add values keyword. Yeah, here we add values keyword, and we'll run this query actually. So one data get inserted here. Let's do select star from top employees. So we have now 5 rows. Last one is Tim Cook. Now let's copy the same example, copy and paste it here. Control V and run this query. Yeah, so as you can see, for other employees, for Mark, Steve, Bill and Sundar, we are getting result as Facebook, Apple, Microsoft and Google. But for Tim Cook, it is getting into else block, and we are getting result as new CEO. Hope the concept and example is clear to you. For any confusion or any doubt, let me know in comment box, and please like and share the video if you like it, and please subscribe the channel. We'll learn a lot of things about all these SQL and PL SQL. Alright, thank you very much.